Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're gonna be talking about High Tide. This is my biggest new investment. I invested over $500,000 into High Tide. Here's proof. As you can see, this is my share amount. This is like how much money. If you can count the money together, that's over 275,000 Canadian dollars. I do plan to buy more if the stock price goes down, but that's only if the stock price goes down. So yeah, I went a little crazy today. I didn't have to, but I'm actually glad I went crazy because after I bought after I bought the stock, I decided to go out and check out the store. And I mean, I have more pictures, but this is the pictures I want to show right now. I bought the bong from them. I bought chocolate fondue. This is from Canopy. And I bought resin block concentrate from their store. You know, I also think that there's a lot of, like, the store was very busy and there was only 3 employees. I really like seeing that. I really like seeing the not like just enough employees to get by, not have this entire store cramped. As you can tell, I took a picture of this. I apologize that's sideways, but there was a lineup. There was a lineup to get into the store because the store can only fit a certain amount of people. That means it's super busy. I think this is a very good location, and Canada Brands is going to make a lot of money from this one location, at least I believe in 1 quarter. So, you know, that's why I invested into High Tide. I'm glad I did. I saw this. I was very happy, you know, like me, I invest over $500,000. I go here and I see a lineup after like months and months of legalization at this store is crazy. This is gonna attract attention. This is gonna make more people want to go to the store. I think this location will rake in millions and millions of dollars every single, I would have to say, month. So probably like $1 million, maybe $2 million a month. Hopefully that would be crazy. I wouldn't be super shocked if that was the case, but this store is going to generate them a lot of money, and they have a lot of stores. They have 10 stores. So yeah, so another big so I just wanted to point out that so you see this volume, you see how there's 1.36 million. I'm responsible for 40% of it. I bought about $500,000. I also got some people that I knew to buy into. So yeah, it was a really heavy day. This day is basically my day because almost half, like 40% of this volume is mine. 40% of this volume bar is mine. And if you notice, right, the last big volume was that big rise over here. So, and then I caused this big volume. You know, it's been low volume for a while, and I caused it. It feels good to be able to cause huge amount of volume. It works too, because I was buying, and then I looked at the chart and it's like, oh look, I'm buying, the volume's going up. It's kind of cool. You know, like at the very, so my story is I bought at the beginning day pretty heavily, right? And then when it went to around like 52 cents, I like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna leave it alone now. And then I waited till just near the end of the day, and then I bought massively. See this spike of volume? This is probably me buying in 150,000 shares or 200,000 shares right here, this big ass volume. But you know, because I was like, oh, you know, because I was very excited for the company. All I could do was just think all day long. I knew in my heart that this is a good investment. The last time I bought into a company that was $250,000 was Canopy Growth. I made a video about it. I put in $250,000 into Canopy Growth, and I wanted to put $500,000 into it. You know, I could put $500,000 into High Tide if the stock price declines. So I do hope that the price declines. I hope it does not run. But I'm satisfied with the amount of shares I have. So if it ran, I wouldn't be too sad. I would just need to find my next big investment. But High Tide is one of my biggest investment, and if the price goes to 45 cents to 40 cents. I will probably buy more, so I'm really hoping that there's going to be a huge decline in price on Monday when the market opens. Probably not helping that I'm making a video about it, so, but I have to talk about it. I'm sorry. Yeah, I have to talk about it. Alcanna had a huge day today. Oh, another reason why I buy into High Tide, because if you look at the market cap, it's a $98 million company. That is very like, that is not, like, compared to their peers, that's not very big, because, you know, Alcanna is kind of on a discount, because $208 million, I hate to say the word, it's undervalued, but I would consider this, you know, pretty decent. Like, you know, I think Alcanna deserves to be like a $6-7 stock in my opinion, though, but that's just my opinion. I'm still not gonna buy into Alcanna. Fire and Flower, see, another competitor, $146 million market cap. So right there already, you know, Fire and Flower, High Tide. I think High Tide deserves to be, you know, on level with Fire and Flower. It's just my opinion, though. Just my opinion. National Access Cannabis Corp, you know, like $135 million. Another retailer, Joom is $125 million. I mean, it could decline back to 52 cents, and then that would make it more. And Joom only really has 3 locations, while Cannabrand has 10 locations up right now. 10 locations, that's right. It's crazy. So yeah, that's my whole story. That's the reason why, because High Tide has the smallest market cap. I really like their business. I really like the fundamentals of the company. I think management is also very good. I've done a lot of research on this company. I was actually doing research on Joom, and then I kind of, you know, graduated to High Tide. I was trying to find a good company to invest into, and, you know, after I was like, High Tide is actually a very good company after I did some research on it. So I really like High Tide. I think it's a very good business. As you can tell from this picture, you know, it's already 5 months into legalization, and there's a lineup, dude. There's a lineup outside this store. I get it's also a Friday too, but still, that is crazy to have a lineup. So very good location they got. And that's it for it. Now let's talk about Aurora. Aurora did very well for me today. I still have 25,000 shares. Nowhere near the 160, but that's alright. I found my new winner, so I'm happy. I found High Tide. I think High Tide's my new winner. I do hope this price stock goes down. Like, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. You guys have all weekend to do your research if you even care or interested in this company. But I really think that this is a big winner. I'm gonna be making more dedicated videos throughout the week on High Tide. So, you know, look forward to more High Tide videos through the week. I'll do a more dedicated fundamental analysis on the company, I guess. Village Farms, new all-time highs again. Like, Jesus, like, somebody really loves this company. Somebody's really trying to pump this company up. I don't know who, but obviously rich people. So rich people are pumping this company up. It's crazy. $19.50, a market cap of almost $1 billion, and just a year ago it was $2. That's crazy. That's such a nice return on investment. That is you know, if you bought it at $2, you know, you believe in vegetables, and then you just kept your $2, you would have been like a millionaire off of Village Farms if you bought in like a decent amount. Aurora is doing extremely well. I think Aurora is heading to $20. I think it's heading to $14 for sure. I may exit out on a position a little bit at $14. And if it goes up to $15, I'll exit another position. $16, exit another position. So, you know, I do plan to sell out of my Aurora as it goes up. So, because I'm going to be taking my profit as it goes up. But High Tide is for the long term. I'm not planning to dump this stock. I plan to keep my 550,000 shares maybe even add more in the future for High Tide. I'm really excited for this company. I like this company. I like this vision. So yeah, but Aurora, I will be dumping my shares. Not my 20,000 shares I own that I bought it for cheap price, but the higher priced ones, I'm definitely gonna be dumping it as it goes up. CGC, Canopy Growth, doing pretty good, I guess. I don't know. I mean, Canopy Growth is just kind of holding it in there. I was thinking that Canopy was gonna follow Aurora and kind of go up too, but it didn't. I guess because the valuation's already pretty high on Canopy Growth. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Is it 10 minutes? Yes! Wow, 10-minute video. Wow, okay, that's awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future content, and have a great day. Bye!